your back open?
Nah.
It's messed up, man.
I got it fucking bolted down, bro.
Really?
They were flexing 3.5 inches out.
Wow. So you bolted your door shut?
Yeah.
In the back?
Yeah, look.
Wow.
I blacked out my headlight, my tail light.
Yeah.
It shattered everything inside. So I just said, fuck it.
Did you do any SPL tests to see how much you gained by just bolting this down? Do you know?
I gained a little bit. You know what I did the other day, boy?
Yeah.
I removed my base knob. And my RCA going from my head unit to my base knob was like,
really?
right, it opened this shit up.
Yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
How you doing? How you doing? All right.
Can I see the back? Looks good. Can I come in? Can I come in?
Right now, my door panels are kind of wanky.
Yeah.
But see, look, I did this one. My girl, she never touched anything in her life. She did that one. And it was just like this. They had her own speaker rings and everything.
All right, nice.
When we're done and it's all done,
yeah,
she's hitting Mrs. Kong on it with a little bow and a gorilla.
Okay. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Timothy McGill.
Okay.
I got 6 the VFX or VXF12.
Okay.
They're wired right now to 1.33. I got the Sundown SFB 8K.
Nice. How big is this box?
Large. It's humongous. It started off as a vertical port. Okay, I didn't like that, so I put 3 6-inch ports in.
So there's are they arrow ports or are they square?
Arrow ports.
Okay.
Okay, now look, we left the center chamber that was empty in, and we slid the arrow port inside that empty chamber.
Okay.
I'm able to play from 8 hertz to over 50.
Oh wow. 8?
It's got that much of a range.
Wow, okay.
Well, I didn't like the 6, so I added 3 8.
Yeah. Got it. So you have 3 of them back. Okay.
Yeah, so I have 3 8-inch.
All right. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. Nice.
Let's see if I can find it.
I know you're tryna fuck something likes on my IG, but I ain't tryna love nothing, I just wanna slide. Hit the club with some ass touch and take it to the house. Throw some racks and we back fucking.
Thank you for showing me, man. What was your name?